Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about wildcards. Wildcards, we have two wildcards, percentage and underscore. So this is called underscore and this is percentage. Okay, so these are called wildcards. Why we should use them? Let's say I want to select all from students. Okay, let's say if I execute it, okay, mistake, and yes, students, and now you can see we have some data. Let's say I want to select all from student, and actually I'm going to use here where condition. I will say where a student, let's say underscore name will be here. You can see we have Milon, right? Milon, and let's say I want to say here that it will actually show the student name start with M. Okay, so let's check, and here you can see null, but we have shown you that we have 3 Milon, right? We have 3 name starting with M, so that time it will actually search for M. Okay, the whole name M, so it will actually not find it. So let's say you want to search through a single character, that is that time actually you need to work with wild cards. How to do this? Let's say hire student name, and you just have to remove this equal. You just have to say here like, and then you have to say here percentage. Okay, either you use this percentage sign at the beginning or at the end. So when you use at the end, let's say I want to actually know the name start with M. Okay, then I will add this percentage sign after this character. Okay, why? Because I want to find the value which will actually start from with M, and after that it can contain any character. Okay, and here if I execute it, now you can see I am fetching all the value, all the student name starting with M. Okay, and let's say I want to remove this percentage from here, and I want to give here. Now execute it, and here you can see null, because if I show you, let's say I want to remove this where statement. If I show you, you can see that we have no name actually end with M. All right, so this is how actually you can use percentage, right? So let's say I want to show here R. So if I execute it, now you can see we are fetching a name here, student name Tanvir, because Tanvir has R at the end, and the percentage at the starting. It means that it can have multiple character, no problem, but it will obviously end with R. Okay, and the next wildcard, and that is underscore. So underscore means a single character. I mean, let's say if I use here tan v and then R, but it will actually show me Tanvir. Why? Because it will check all the character, and then it will actually check the last character. If I give here, let's say 2 underscore, then it will show nothing, null, because now it is showing actually extra character, right? Okay, that is the reason. So let's say I want to show first character will not be count. Okay, it will be it will just, I mean, it will count, but it will not show, it will not be shown here. And let's say the second character should be A. Okay, and then percentage, I mean the first character will be counted, but it will not shown, and I want to actually fetch the second character, that will be obviously A, and then after that it can have multiple character, no problem. So actually I'm going to fetch those student data. If I execute it, and here you can see the student name second character, the second character should be A, and here you can see the Tanvir has second character A, Yamin has second character A, and Wasi has second character A. Okay, if I say here double underscore, it means it will count 2 character from the starting, T and A, and after that I want to I want to see the student name which will actually contain A as third character, and here you can see we have no such a name which is containing actually a as third character. If I execute it, here you can see there is null value. You have an error. We check the manual that was. What is the problem? Yeah, now you can see there is no such a value. Okay, if I say here percentage, can I use it? Here, yes, here you can see there is no value, right? Okay, so if I say it like this, you can see we have 3 value, right? Okay, let's say okay, so these are actually common thing, and you can see that these 2 wildcard actually use like this. So when you use wild character or cards, you just have to use like. Okay, so I will understand. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.